This conference will now be recorded.
So let us discuss about the div span concept. Div span. Let me write about a div first. Div is a block level container. Block level container. Span. Span is inline container. Inline container. Block level container nothing but it will occupy full width of the page. It will occupy full width of the page. It will not occupy full width of the page. It will not occupy full width of the page. Example, I'll take one simple program on this, then you can be able to understand all these things. This will be the notes. And let us write div. Save it as HTML file. Div span dot HTML. Okay, so let me take a simple div. Inside the div, I'm taking something like a Srinivas. And for this div, I want to write simple style. Don't worry about the style. Later we will understand the styles. Div background color is something like orange color. And after the div, I'm taking a span. Span also having Srinivas. Now span having some color, background color. Span having some background color, something like brown color. So if I execute this program, so how div is occupying, how span is occupying, you can able to see. So div is going to be occupying the full width of the page, but span is occupying only the part of the content.